One thing that I've learned from career visioning is how to find the right people, how to motivate them, and how to make them produce more. And it's a great place to be.
You should take career visioning because it'll teach you how to grow your business faster, bigger, and stronger.
Career visioning has helped me be reminded of the value that comes from talent and what exact strategic tactical skills you could implement in order to attract talent into your world in a consistent way.
I would say that this class is single-handedly the most important tool that I've needed to be able to go out and find the right people to surround myself with to go out and achieve at the highest level that we can go and achieve at.
So career visioning, I think the biggest thing that taught me since I've been here is really focusing on the mission and values, because that's the first door you have to go through to get people to even be attracted to your company. So for me, I need to go back and implement what is my mission and values, ask myself that question first, and then really implement it.